Hi, my name is Jamie Gross, and I was born on March 17th, 1982, in Rahway Hospital in Rahway, New Jersey. Some interesting things about me: I have six brothers, two full, two step, and two half brothers. March 17th is St. Patrick's Day, so every year my birthday falls on the holiday. I also like to say that that's why they have all the parades, is in my honor because I'm awesome. I also go to a lot of concerts. This picture of me was taken at a Blink 182 concert, and I was making this face because I realized very quickly that I should probably stop going to Blink 182 concerts because, I'm old. This is my favorite song by the Beach Boys, God Only Knows. I started listening to the Beach Boys after going to the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame, and I bought one of their albums, Pet Sounds, which this song is from, and I haven't stopped listening to them. I just love their music. It's very it's very collaborative and artistic with the instruments and the vocalizations. So I think it's really cool. My hero is my mom. She was diagnosed with cancer in September and just recently finished her chemotherapy treatments. So we're looking forward to the spring and summer of not having to, have her be so sick all the time, and to start healing. She's currently cancer free. So the anticipation is that it will stay that way. And finally, my favorite book is Ender's Game by Orson Scott Card. It's actually the first book in the Ender's Game series. There are four books in total. In this first book, we meet Ender, who is the third child in his family, which is out of the ordinary because in this dystopian society, families can only have two children. And actually, the government asks his family to have a third child because he's actually born in order to save the world. And he does that, but he also does something really bad. And then the next three books in the series, you see how he tries to fix this really bad thing that he did. So that's my screencast, all about me. Thanks for watching.